What's up guys, Chef Anthony here at Don's Appliances. Today we're gonna show you how to load your KitchenAid dishwasher the proper way. Let's jump right into the dishwasher, okay guys? Let's open this up. First, let's talk about the third rack system right here, all right? There's little jets right here, two proponents right here, so you can actually do your cups and your glasses. So you guys keep them on an angle right here, and the jets will actually wash them up and hit them so it gets all that gunk and crud out right there, all right? Nice feature. Next, off to the right, you have your cutlery holder, so you're gonna keep your spoons, your knives, or even your spatulas and stuff like that here, or it can be removed, guys. If you don't wanna use it, you wanna store bigger things like you're putting your spatulas in here, or a sharp knife, or something like that that you don't want to go, anywhere else in the dishwasher, that'll fit perfectly right there as well, okay? Let's roll out the next rack. Huge piece right here, guys. Look at these wine stem holders. Check out how this holds them, just like that. Nice and easy, individually, holds them down so they rinse properly, okay? Another great feature. Obviously, bowls over here, more glasses for this area. The best part though, we wanna talk about is these two red tabs here. This can adjust up and down, so these tabs go up if we want a higher, and then down if we want to lower, so we can use higher glasses. So we have it lower set for our wine stems. Close that guy up. Let's talk about the bottom real quick. Here is your cutlery holder as well. So if you guys, this lifts and slides. If you don't want to use this and you want to use the top, take this out for more room. If you got a big party, you got a ton of people over, keep it in here and rinse this as well. Few different tines and racks here. So we got this for the bigger and the smaller. So for these oval plates that we have here, check this out. They hold right in here because they got a thicker back, so it'll hold this plate upright so it gets full coverage from the water and the detergent. Something great we like to use. Let's pick this big bowl up too. Plenty of rack room here. This is angled on the back so we can actually lift this in here and hook it in at a little bit of an angle to help it clean a little bit better as well. And obviously these are for your large dinner plates, okay? A couple nice great features to keep your KitchenAid dishwasher rack system running the proper way. So that's how to load a dishwasher by Anthony Marino here at Don's Appliances. Thank you so much.